Okay, I will install a 2017 TLX Acura fog light. So right there. So basically I will remove all this. I remove the front bumper. There's a clip that you need to take it off. Here are all these. So after you remove the clip on the top, you go down to the bottom. There's a 10mm there and 10mm here, and also there's a 10mm here too. 3 of them right there. So it's 3, 1, 2, 3 over there. The same as other side. And then there's a whole bunch of clips right here, all through over there, all there. And there's another, after you remove the bolt here, there's another 4 10mm, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there's clip right here, clip right there. There's also here the screw right here, that just drilled out a little bit there. See, clip here, clips on there. So basically I pull this toward me like this, but be careful not to break anything. I basically put my hand under the rail here and here and push it out. So I'm gonna do the same thing as the other side. So all the screw clips are moved, so basically I just yank it. Just put your hand inside here and just yank it off, and it should come out all holding by a clip, I think. Yeah, so I'll hold by a clip. Okay, bumper's off, so be careful when you pull the bumper. Make sure you remove this clip. It's holding right here. So one side there are 4 screws. So the screw there, and 2 there. The same as the other side. So the rest of my clips. So I just remove the old trim right here, and I put in the new trim in. So basically it's the clip. It's the hardest part is remove all this clip right. The top clip is easy, but the bottom clip right here is very hard. So now here's the fog light I put in from the outside, from the inside, and here it is from the outside. So it looks pretty nice. One side left is done. So the final test there, fog light, the ring there.